2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, stability control, power liftgate, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.